going to show you how to copy data with VBA from a closed file. Now, it's certainly possible without VBA to use data from a closed file, but I find that when I'm running some script, sometimes my script gets slow because I'm opening immense files and they take a while to run. So I've determined how you can copy the data without having to open. So what we're going to do is open it in a read-only method. So here's my data file that I have in a folder, and it just has basic some information in. I'm just showing a demonstration here of how this works. So I'm going to close this. Okay, so now I have my macro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the code, and it's very simple. So basically, what I've called the sub as a GetDatacClosedBook, and I've defined the source as a workbook. Now here we have the location of the file and the data to copy. So we have set the source, which I've defined up here as a workbook, equals Workbooks.Open, and this is where the file is located. Using that, you go to my old trick of going to the folder where the stuff is, and then you copy the path name here, and then you put it in here that's where the path is, and this is the file that I'm trying to open. The Treu is to have it as a read only. Now after you've done that, what I've done here is this is a very handy command, which is now we want to go back to the workbook that we're working on, so you don't copy it back into itself. So ThisWorkbook.Activate, and then we're saying on this worksheet range B2 to D3, and we're going to copy from the Source Workbook, which is this, and we're copying worksheets range A1 to C2, and it's dot formula for both of those. And so let me run this. I'll F8 through it. And then we'll go back to our sheet, and here we have the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and it's copied it without having to open the workbook. So that's how you copy data from a closed workbook. Please subscribe.